Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2014 Citroen Picasso C4 in metallic blue finish with a 16-inch of Citroen alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels are in good condition and the bodywork is in fantastic condition. The vehicle's got split 4 rear seats and a parcel shelf. And the front view of the vehicle, it's got daytime running LED lights. Two-tone velour interior with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation. Very good size of a legroom, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. You have the side airbags on the side of the seats, speakers on the rear doors, and as you can see the finish of the door, it's got some two-tone plastic and the velour next to the handle. And some storage departments. It's got child lock as well. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. And it is a 5-speed manual. Push button to start. It's got multifunction steering wheel, the cruise control on the left hand side. Then in the middle it's got 2 cup holders in there and some storage department. Over there it's got some more storage department, 12-volt power outlet, auxiliary, and the USB slots are in there. The Citroen Multi-City Connect is connecting in there. It's got traction control. As you can see, it's got air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, which is digital. If you go to the media, to the source, it's got AM/FM radio, the USB connectivity, iPod connectivity, auxiliary, and the Bluetooth audio, which allows you to stream your music directly from your phone without using any cables. So basically the vehicle has got Bluetooth connectivity. If you connect your Wi-Fi, you can use the internet browser. You can connect it by DNS, and then the Citroen Multi-City Connect. This was the video walk around of the 2014 Citroen Picasso C4. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.